all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to solve the Python with MySQL program. So we have to delete the record of vehicle table which is having vehicle as V02. So let us write the program with those 7 steps which we have already discussed. But first of all we will see in the database whether this table is present or not. So we will enter the password. After that we will check use vehicle command. We will use the database, write the command as show tables. Our vehicle table will get displayed. Then select a star from vehicle. We will see all 3 records are there or not, out of which we have to delete V02 record. So here is the solution for that. We have to write those 7 steps which we have already covered in the starting video. First we have to import MySQL.connector, then connect function, third cursor function, fourth we have to write the query, execute query. Now we will execute this program. So we will get the output as row affected 1. Again we will go into the database and we will check whether the record is deleted or not. So we will execute same command, select a star from vehicle. So our V02 record is deleted. I hope you have enjoyed the video. For more updates keep subscribing the channel. Thank you for watching.